Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WooCommerce Pro version and how you can activate your license. So let's get started. Now, in order to get the WooCommerce Pro version, you have to go to swiftcommerce.io/members. On this page, you will see the customer portal area where you can sign into your account and access your license, your premium version, and everything in between. So I'll put in my account details. I'll click on sign in, and here I'm going to see the websites which I have activated, and then I can go ahead to the downloads. Inside the downloads, I can see the latest version which is active, and I can click on download this version. And it will also give me the license key as well. So right away, I can copy the license key. I can click on this as well, or I can just go to licenses, and here the license key will be available as well. So for me right now, I have the premium version or the pro version downloaded. I'll go ahead to the WordPress plugins and click on add plugin. I'll click on upload plugin, and here I'll choose a zip file. I can just drag and drop it right here, or I can just choose the file, but I'll click on install now. I'll click on activate plugin. Now here it is asking me to please activate your license so I can unlock all pro features. So here I'll click on activate license. And right now, let's say if you go through any other page or you miss this specific, let's say, notification bar, you can always refresh this dashboard and you can access the license activation page as well. So you can see here, it will appear right here, activate license. So I'll click on the page again and paste in my license key. You can see it is saying please wait. I'll click on activate license and my license will be activated, and I can completely access all of the pro features which is inside the pro version. You can see here WooCommerce Pro is activated, and if I refresh the dashboard, you can see here the free will be changed into pro, and all of the pro features can now be accessed without any issues. So that's it. I hope this helps.